Alright, it's on.
Hi guys, so in today's video I am changing the oil in my dad's car and I don't know where to start with this, so I'm screwed.
Well, you gotta tell them what kind of car it is.
It is a Plymouth Duster and I don't know what year it is because I'm not a car person.
74.
74!
Hi, Brandon.
Hello.
So they're supposed to be talking me through this and it's going to be a major fail, so let's just see how this goes. Alright, that's okay. I don't know what to do.
Okay, so you're going to be taking off the oil filter first, which is right there. You're going to want to take it off slowly, and when the oil comes out, you're going to want to let it drain into the pan.
There's a pan underneath that thing, right?
Mm-hmm. And then once it's done draining out of the, you can just set it in the pan, I guess.
Yeah, let's set it in.
Yeah, just set it in there. Don't splash yourself.
Upside down.
What in the pan?
The oil filter, put it in upside down and just let it sit in the pan.
I'm so scared.
All right. So there's a slider right there. You can roll underneath the car on.
And remember, it's full of oil to the top.
Yeah.
As
So
soon as you start loosening it, it's going to start leaking on you.
yeah. So don't put your face underneath it. You know, make sure it leaks into the pot, not onto you.
Guys.
See the pan? Go ahead.
I don't like this one bit.
Go on.
What if I die?
You don't. I have a jack stand underneath it and a jack.
I lost it. Where'd it go?
It's right here. Right above that pan.
I have to keep going?
Yeah.
Is it this thing?
It's round.
I think I found it, but I can't reach it.
Well, get to where you can.
Okay, I found it.
Okay, which way is she turning, Brandon? Towards the Mustang?
It's going to be counterclockwise.
Counterclockwise, Sam. Yeah,
Oh, it's leaking!
yep, make sure it goes in the pan.
It's going in the pan. Ew, that's so gross!
Don't get it on the concrete.
This is messy. So I definitely got some on my arm.
Don't get it all over Brandon's coveralls. Samantha's first oil change. Is it off?
Yeah, but I think I'm gonna drop it.
Don't drop it. You can do it.
So it'll come out one way, you got to figure it out.
How can I get it out of here?
It'll come out. You got to figure out which way.
Ah! It's literally stuck.
No, it ain't. You can get it out.
No, I can't.
There you go.
It's too big. Nope, nope, I'm screwed. I'm screwed in so many ways.
Hey, you better get it out of there.
I literally cannot.
Oh, is this the one you got to turn the wheel on to clear the steering wheel?
I can't get it out of here. It's stuck. I'm not even kidding. Why won't you believe me?
I don't know. Is it that?
I'm not moving. I am not moving one bit.
Right there. Brandon, grab it from up here. You can grab it from right here.
I need to do yourself.
Grab it.
Yes.
There we go. Brandon got it.
So I got oil on my arm.
Okay.
Can I come out?
You can come out now. For a second until you got to put the new one in. Ew, you don't be getting that oil over on everything.
Oh, I forgot to get her rags.
Don't touch. Alright.
Okay,
See.
does your hair smell like oil?
I don't think so. I don't think you got any oil in there.
Does it smell like it?
Probably. Does the jack stand out? No, you got to pull the jack stand, Sam.
How do
So
I do
you're going to have
that?
to lift up the jack.
So pull on the jack
pull
handle.
the jack handle down to the ground a couple of times.
Again. Alright. I don't know if that's enough or not. I can't see it. So go see if you can pull that jack stand out. No.
Wait, what?
Jack stand.
Huh?
This is jack. This is holding the car up. No, don't touch that. See that yellow thing over there? There.
That?
Those,
Grab the edge of
yep.
the lever on that one.
You gotta pull them out.
I gotta pull those ones out. I swear I knew what that meant.
Okay, and then slowly turn it towards you. Very slow. Very, very slow. That's not very slow.
That was slow to me.
Not bad though.
It wasn't too bad. Okay,
It could have been worse.
now pull the jack out.
Like this?
Roll it out. And put it somewhere where you won't trip on it.
I'm already tripping over myself.
Alright, that's good for now. Alright, so now you gotta put the oil in. So grab yourself a quart of oil.
One of these?
Need the funnel too, I think.
Hold on. Funnel. Alright,
Am I almost done?
almost.
Okay, how much should I pour in here?
All of it.
All of it?
You gotta put 5 of them in there.
Oh gosh. Good golly. Okay.
Slow. Alright. So you wanna slowly hold that up with one hand. There you go.
I think that was 3 I did.
Alright. That's...
Yeah, that was
Nope, that's 4.
I did 4?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So I'm done.
That's it.
Guys, I survived.
Yes, you did.
That was my first oil change ever.
Oh,
Do the Lucas.
okay. Oil is complete. Now you gotta go start the car and let it run for a minute. And then you gotta check your oil after it runs for a minute and make sure you have enough oil in it. And you're ready to go. So,
That made no sense to me.
so go and start the car.
Ready to start it?
Yeah. Give it a little gas. Not a lot. Little more gas. All right, now, you know how to check your oil pressure? So right there is your oil pressure gauge. Right there, the farthest one on the right. Can you see what it says? Should say around
60?
Is that 60?
Yeah.
That means you got good oil pressure.
Sweet.
Now you go ahead and shut it around.
Get me out of here.
Well, Samantha's gonna be running the shop someday, so we got a teacher now. All right, now you gotta check your oil. Check it. There you go.
How do I check it?
Dipstick's right there. And now you gotta wipe it off one time and then put it back, pull it again. All the way back.
Pull it again?
Mm-hmm. And then it should be at the full mark. Where's it at?
Somewhere.
Let me see. See the, turn it over. See that full line? See it's on add? So that's telling us it needs about a quart more. Alright, go ahead and put it back. Samantha has completed her first oil change thanks to her dad and Brandon DeWolf.
That's not my dad.
her uncle Brandon's tutelage. Alright.
I'm dirty.
Say hello to Diablo and goodbye to Diablo.